Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some fantastic living room design and decorating ideas that will transform your space into a stylish and comfortable haven. Whether you're updating your current living room or designing from scratch, these tips will inspire you to create a room that reflects your personality and meets your lifestyle needs. Before you dive into decorating, take a moment to visualize the overall look you want to achieve. Consider your living room's purpose, whether it's for relaxation, entertainment, or a mix of both. Think about the mood you want to set. Do you prefer a cozy, inviting atmosphere, or are you aiming for something more sleek and modern? Once you have a clear vision, it will be easier to make design choices that align with your goals. Color plays a crucial role in setting the tone of your living room. Neutral shades like whites, grays, and beiges are timeless and versatile, providing a perfect backdrop for bolder accents. If you're looking to make a statement, consider an accent wall in a rich, deep color, or incorporate vibrant accessories like cushions and rugs. Remember, your color palette should not only reflect your style, but also enhance the room's natural light and existing architecture. Furniture selection and arrangement. Furniture is the heart of your living room, so choose pieces that are both functional and stylish. Start with the largest pieces, like your sofa and coffee table, and arrange them to encourage conversation and movement. If you have a smaller space, consider multifunctional furniture like ottomans with storage or a sofa bed. Don't forget to think about the flow of the room. Ensure there's enough space to walk around comfortably without obstructing doorways or windows. To add depth and interest to your living room, layer different textures and materials. Mix soft fabrics like velvet or linen with harder surfaces like wood or metal. A plush rug can anchor your seating area, while throw blankets and cushions add coziness and warmth. Incorporate a variety of materials to create a balanced and inviting space that feels lived in and personal. Art and decor are where you can really let your personality shine. Choose pieces that resonate with you, whether it's a large statement painting, a gallery wall of personal photos, or a collection of sculptural objects. Don't be afraid to mix styles. Modern art can look stunning in a traditional room, and vice versa. The key is to create a cohesive look by sticking to a consistent color scheme or theme. Lighting is essential in any living room design. Use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a layered effect. Floor lamps and table lamps provide warmth and focus, while overhead fixtures like chandeliers or pendant lights add drama and style. Don't forget the importance of natural light. Maximize it by using light, airy curtains or shades that can be easily opened to let in the sun. Plants are a fantastic way to bring life and color into your living room. Whether you opt for large statement plants like a fiddle leaf fig or smaller potted plants like succulents, greenery adds a fresh, natural element that softens the space. Plus, plants are known to improve air quality, making your living room not only more beautiful, but also healthier. Lastly, make sure to add personal touches that make the space truly yours. Whether it's a collection of travel souvenirs, family heirlooms, or a beloved piece of furniture, these items will infuse your living room with your unique style and memories. The most beautiful living rooms are those that tell a story, your story. Thank you for watching. We hope these living room design and decorating ideas inspire you to create a space that's both beautiful and functional. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more home interior design tips, and let us know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. See you in the next video.